It is finally 2024, and that means there are new items at Dollar Tree. So we're going to go through all of them in today's video, and I'm going to share with you the new finds that you're definitely going to want to pick up. From organization to cleaning to dupes for some luxury products, I am simply obsessed. But before we get into today's video, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. But let's start shopping at Dollar Tree. Now, you're not going to believe this, but Dollar Tree finally has cleaning products in luxe looking containers. So this totally reminds me of the laundress. They now have these products. So they have this dish soap, they have all-purpose cleaner, and I love this. Look at how sleek this black bottle is. I think it looks so incredibly luxe. It is made with plant-derived ingredients and it smells so good. It smells like gum when you're chewing it, so peppermint, like fresh gum. It smells absolutely divine, and I love that it comes in these containers that are so chic you wouldn't want to put them in other containers, which I think is the problem we've had with Dollar Tree before. Each one of these containers actually has 16 fluid ounces in it, so you have a ton in here, and it gives you a really nice sud when you're doing your dishes with this. I've also washed my hands with this, and I do love this all-purpose cleaner. It has a very nice, fresh, clean smelling scent. I also picked up their carpet cleaner. So Dollar Tree has always had that Arm & Hammer carpet cleaner where you kind of sprinkle it on your carpet, let it sit for a while, and you vacuum it up. This is the exact same idea. I love the way it looks. The packaging is very cute, and it is resealable, so you don't have to worry about it spoiling or anything like that. You can sprinkle your carpets, give them a good vacuum, and then save this for time and time again. And then again, the best part is you don't need to put it in a new container. I'm telling you, these products remind me so much of the laundress, and I'm a huge laundress fan, but their stuff can be so expensive. So I was very excited to see these three products at my local Dollar Tree. They also have this aromatherapy mist, which smells absolutely divine. It is a cedar wood. It's rosemary and cinnamon, but it really smells like cedar wood to me. And oh my gosh, if you were looking to fill your home with a wonderful scent, you are gonna want to pick this up. It comes in this nice little squirt bottle. You can put this with your entryway styling, a console styling, anything like that. And this just smells so good. It really smells like cinnamon. I don't really smell the rosemary as much, but it is very, very sweet. It is a great, perfect home mist that doesn't feel too clean smelling. I always find that like with Febreze, it smells like it's just meant to cover kind of like poop smell, but I don't get that with this. This smells so luxurious. And if you are looking to infuse your home with wonderful scents, you cannot pass up the incense at Dollar Tree. Now, I actually picked up the incense at Dollar Tree the last time I was there, thinking that it was going to be lackluster and it wasn't going to be worth it, but these smell so good. So this time I picked up the frankincense because this is one of my favorite incense smells, and then I also got the root, which I've not burned this one yet. I have bought incense from absolutely everywhere, and I think it smells so good. It burns very easily, and the scent really lingers, and you get 50 sticks of incense for $1.25. And I don't know if you've ever burned incense before, but you can burn one stick over the course of a few days, which I'm just in love. I love these, so definitely pick these up if you want to fill your home with a scent and not spend a ton of money on a bunch of candles, because I have to say it, I don't love the Dollar Tree candles, but you don't even need them because you can pick up this and this aromatherapy scent spray. The last cleaning item I wanted to bring your attention to is this scrub-free glass cleaner. This is the best glass cleaner on the market, hands down, and it's only $1.25. It creates this foam on your windows, your mirrors, your glass furniture, and it actually gets it squeaky clean. I always find with Windex that I always see the streaking, and that does not happen with this. This is the only way we've been able to get things squeaky clean, and the best combination is this with a microfiber towel. It is truly unbeatable. Next, I want to talk a little bit about organization, because they have so many luxe items, you're not even going to want to go to the Container Store anymore. The first item I actually want to talk about has to do with food storage, and they have this set of 2 reusable food storage bags. Now, these go for at least $6 online, because I've gone to pick them up before. They were egregiously priced. Same thing at IKEA. I think they were like $15. So you get a set of 2 for $1.25 at Dollar Tree, and you just put your food in here when you're done with it. So you're not using those big bulky containers. You don't have to find a place to to store them. They just have these ones. It's leak proof, it's freezer safe, it's food safe, it's BPA and lead free, and it minimizes single use plastic. I just love these. I'm so excited to put them to use, and you're gonna love them too because you're getting them at a fraction of the normal price. Now, these aren't new to Dollar Tree, but I had to talk about them because I think they're one of the best items you can buy from Dollar Tree, especially if you're going for the luxe look for less and you just want to make your life easier. You have to get these glass bowls. So you get a set of 4 for $1.25. So if you're prepping for a recipe and you want to measure out all of your spices and get yourself nice and organized, these are amazing. I've seen these for like $3 per one at other stores. You get 4 for $1.25, and they're great for measuring everything out, making sure you're organized, because there's nothing worse than sitting down to cook a recipe like Half Baked Harvest and then you're so disorganized, you added too much paprika, too much this, too much that. So these are absolutely wonderful, and these are a designer find. You can also get a wooden cutting board at Dollar Tree. This is what it looks like. It is a bamboo cutting board, and if you're into charcuterie, this is perfect. You can pick up a few of these for a dinner party and make everyone their personal little charcuterie tray. This is actually fantastic, especially if you're worried about germs. You don't like the idea of like the grazing. You can give everyone their personalized one. You can, you know, put their name on it using a Cricut or something like that. And this is a great way to get something nice and personal, and it's really going to elevate any dinner party that you're having this season. And when I saw this in store, I absolutely freaked out. So if you're not a wooden cutting board person, you'll want something a little bit larger. Dollar Tree now has the Instant Pot cutting boards. So with these cutting boards, you actually get 2 cutting boards, and one of them has all of this amazing information on it. It will tell you the instant cook times, because I don't know about you, but with my Instant Pot, I'm like, perfect, fantastic. I have this fast cooking device. I have no idea how I'm going to cook XYZ. So this really lays it out for you. I love things like this. We used to have them with like signs when signs were really popular, but now this is a great reference thing for you to have. So you can cut things on top of this and you're like, oh, this is how long I make my oatmeal now that I'm cutting these apples, or this and that. I just love how they kind of thought about everything with these ones, and they are in fact dishwasher safe. So when you're done using them, just throw them into your dishwasher and then they are good as new. And I've never seen this at Dollar Tree before, but this is an avocado tool. These tools again can get very pricey, but basically you cut your avocado in half, you take out the center of it, and you're able to slice it really well. So if you have kids, if you're mom on the go, you just don't have the time to perfectly cut an avocado, this is going to make it easier for you. And someone needs to tell me why scissors are so damn expensive. I have no idea, but I always love these kitchen shears from Dollar Tree. They're not new, but they're so high quality, way better than the Betty Crocker ones in my opinion. So pick these up if you just want some extra scissors in your home for any DIY project, craft projects, otherwise that you are doing in your space. Why pay more when you can spend less? I was also very, very excited when I saw these. So these are these reusable lids. So if you have made dinner or something to that effect and you put it in a bowl and you're like, oh, I want to eat this later, but I don't have a Tupperware, this is fantastic. You just stretch this, it goes on top of your bowl and it keeps it airtight. It keeps your food nice and fresh, so you don't have to transfer from container to container. You're not going to have to worry about doing too many dishes anymore. You're just going to use these, and you get a set of 2 for the price, and they have these cute little smiley faces on them. And I never ever leave Dollar Tree without buying a few of these rug pad squares. These are phenomenal. They're great for runners, your entryway rugs, any rugs. You just throw them underneath and they stop them from moving around. You can also grab these rug pads and cut them down to go underneath your placemats, underneath vases, bowls, things that kind of move around a bit that you're worried about scratching your countertops. These are wonderful. You don't have to spend a lot of money, and you can get so much use out of this one rectangle of this material. Dollar Tree also had a bunch of these shoe organizers. They've always had the vacuum seal bags and the under bed storage containers, but I've never seen these door shoe organizers before. These are absolutely lovely. It's a great way to get that clutter out of your entryway and up onto a door. Plus, it's so much easier this way to see what you have and what you don't, so that you're putting together the best outfits possible. I didn't pick this item up, but I had to share it with you, and this is this bell cloche. I'm always thinking about easy DIYs you can do at Dollar Tree, and this is fantastic because this is the exact same shape shape as this bell chandelier from Restoration Hardware. What you can actually do is put a puck light in here and use some chain to create a DIY pendant. All you have to do is spray paint it with your favorite textured spray paint, and this is a great way to get a pendant by your nightstand or in your entryway where you otherwise would not have any lighting. They also have these acrylic cubes for photos, which I think are super cute, but acrylic decor has been trending for years now, and what you can do is actually make your own dice if you want to using these, just with like some white paint and some black paint. You can really DIY a few things to get those oversized game looks that are like hundreds of dollars from Home Goods and other stores for less using these Dollar Tree materials. And if you've been staying up to date with my content, and if not, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. You would know that I love the Echo Show, and I love having smart tech throughout my home. One of the problems with the Echo Show is that you have to like lean it somewhere or mount it on the wall, which is not something I want it to do. I want it to look like an actual piece of art. So I actually picked up these display easels from Dollar Tree. These are really wonderful, and you could display your Echoes there, other artwork like this. These are just really wonderful to pick up because a lot of the times we want art, but we want it to be renter friendly in our homes. We can just use these display easels on shelves, on consoles to kind of lean it and get a more elevated look for less. I'd also never seen these metal wall hooks before. These are just great. You get 2 for the price. It's a nice antique brass finish. I'm not sure that I would spray paint over these, but these are great for your entryway. If you want to organize your brooms and other like cleaning devices, you can hang them on these. These are just lovely. All you need is some screws, and it does come with them, and this is just a great way to get organized. I'd also never seen these before, so these are rotating fork claw hooks. You can use these for cleaning supplies, so like your Swiffer and other things like that, but I would probably use this for hats. This is a great way to hang your hats up in your closet and just kind of have it on rotation. You can also use this for your purses if you're not worried about the bending of the leather of like the handle, but you can display them like this so that they rotate and you really get an eye for what these items look like when you were getting dressed in the morning or when you're getting ready to clean and looking through what you have. Now, felt organizers tend to be a rarity, so I was very excited to see these. You can buy them all independently, so they don't come in sets, but I found this in the stationery section. So first we have this small felt desk tray, then we have this long one for pencils and this even larger one. So if you want to organize your desk or your nightstand, these are really wonderful because while I love plastic organizers, you tend to need to put pads on the bottom so that they don't slide around. You don't quite have that problem with felt in the same way, and felt isn't going to scratch anything. So this is a more durable item. This is also great if you're trying to organize the back of your car or your console in your car, just to put things into different sections. These are really wonderful, and they're very rigid. They are not going to break one bit. I also was very excited to see these storage containers. So these are pink. They come in pink and blue, and I think also gray. And there are many other new storage containers at Dollar Tree. So if you're getting organized, head there before you head to your Walmart, your Container Store. But these are really, really lovely, very sturdy. They're great for organizing your laundry materials, your linen closet, things that take up a lot of vertical space, but you kind of want to corral them so that you can bring them from place to place. Dollar Tree also had these storage containers, which I've never seen them before with this label, and these just feel so much more sturdy than the ones that they had prior. So this is $1.25 a piece. These tend to go for about $7 at other stores, so very sturdy. This is great for fridge organization, for nightstand organization, dresser organization, anywhere in your pantry. These are super durable, and I love these handles. And then you can just label them on the front using your Cricut, using Dollar Tree vinyl, using a Sharpie. It doesn't matter if you want it to be dry erase, but these are very high quality as well. I love that Dollar Tree is finally starting to have more neutral colors and clear options for us neutral girlies who want an organized home without bright rainbow decorative items. Now, I just did a video about getting organized for the new year, so I don't want you to pass up on the amazing electronic organization items they have at Dollar Tree, because that is paramount to a luxurious home. I love these wall tab blocks. They fit 6 things at once. It sits flush with your wall. It has these 2 pegs in it, and it really maximizes what you can do with each electrical socket. It allows me to kind of hide all the cords behind my furniture pieces and keep things plugged in and streamlined all of the time. I also saw these chalkboard decals at Dollar Tree, and it was very interesting because the brand name on them is actually the brand name from Target. So it seems like they're selling some Target items in Dollar Tree. So be sure to stay on the lookout for that, because Target obviously has very, very high quality items, and we definitely want to take advantage of them and pick them up on a budget from our local Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree also now has this USB vacuum, which is great for getting in like those really tight spaces. So if you have a little tray in your nightstand, in between the grooves of your car, this is wonderful. It does come with the cord. All you have to do is plug it in and you're able to use it and go. But that is it for today's video. Dollar Tree has so many amazing new items. A lot of them have to do with cleaning and organization, but it is the new year. We want to set intention for the year and get organized. So I'm so excited about these finds. Be sure to head to your local Dollar Tree and pick them out. And if you want to learn any more about how to achieve the looks look from less from Dollar Tree, be sure to smash that subscribe button and check out my Dollar Tree playlist. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.